Hi, this is Phalla from khmertutor.com. After this lesson, you will be able to pronounce this vowel correctly. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribe, like, and click the bell icon for notification when I post the new lesson. This vowel has two sounds, sra-o and sra-u. The first sound of this vowel is sra-o. Sra-o used with all sound series consonant. Sra-o has a long sound. When you pronounce sra-o, you should keep your mouth in O shape while you pronounce it. You should feel vibration at the back of your tongue. Now, repeat after me. O, O, O. Good. Here are some examples. Go, go. Do, do. Ho, ho. Dong, dong. Song bồ, song bồ. Xôm công lô là, xôm công lô là. Second sound of this vowel is sra-u. Sra-u used with all sound series consonant. Sra-u has a long sound. When you pronounce sra-u, you should keep your mouth open in O shape. Then point your lip forward while you pronounce it. You should feel vibration at the back of your tongue. Now, repeat after me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good. And here are some examples. Coo, coo. Tu, tu. You, you. Cung nù, cung nù. Cung rù, cung rù. Pú, cầm púng. Cú tú, cùm rù. Pú, cầm púng. Cú tú, cùm rù. Now, let's compare the two sounds. Sra-o and sra-u both has a long sound and pronounced at the back of your tongue. And the difference are when you pronounce O, you keep your lip in O shape while you pronounce it. But when you pronounce U, you keep your lip in O shape and point your lip forward a little bit while you pronounce it. Now repeat after me with the O sound. O, O, O. And here are the U sound. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good. And now you learn sra-o and sra-u. I hope you found my video useful and thank you for watching. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and click the bell icon for notification when I post the new lesson. If you're interested in private Khmer lesson with me, go to my website khmertutor.com and send me a message. Thank you. Bye.